What's up guys? In this short tutorial I will show you how to open few apps at the same time on Galaxy tablets. So let's get it started. First, you need to open Settings and find Advanced Features on the list. Then open Labs and turn on all these toggles. Now you can open all apps in window mode just by dragging from top right corner. You can move all apps on your home screen as you wish, change the size of each app and minimize it. Samsung also allows to open few applications in this mode, so for example, you can watch your favorite series on Netflix and do other things on your Galaxy device. It is also possible to minimize all the open applications into a temporary folder and put it on your home screen. I think it's a very useful feature to have. There is another way to have two apps side by side, and I'm going to demonstrate you how to turn it on. Let's open Google News app, then swipe with two fingers up from the bottom. Next, find the second app that you want to open. In my case it will be YouTube app. Now you can use two apps side by side. This is the way that allows you to watch video on your favorite YouTube channel and read an interesting article at the same time. Like on Galaxy smartphones in my previous video, you can also change the position of each app by pressing two arrows or change the size of each app. In this mode, Samsung allows to open three applications side by side and open more apps in window mode. How cool is that? Now you know how to work with few applications running at the same time. Hope you'll find this tutorial useful and see you in the next one. Cheers!